Everyone wants to ride the next Bitcoin bull run, but most people jump in after the price explodes. I'll show you how to spot the signs early. Bitcoin moves in cycles, historically tied to the halving event about every 4 years, which cuts the new supply of Bitcoin in half. The next halving is expected around April 2028, and a bull run typically follows within 12 to 18 months. Keeping an eye on this timeline is crucial. Look beyond price. On-chain data reveals what whales and long-term holders are doing. Rising wallet accumulation and dropping Bitcoin on exchanges are strong signals. Macro factors like falling interest rates and institutional adoption can ignite the next wave of excitement in crypto. Prepare before the headlines. Set a plan, automate buys, and monitor on-chain analytics. Don't wait for the crowd.